Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have three diamond paintings from Colorful DIY. Two of them I think they're 30 by 30. Yeah, 30 by 30. Let's start with this one. Okay, we have the standard toolkit, right? And we have the drills. They're round, and we're gonna see them. And this is a partial. It's pretty. It has 15 colors. Good glue. Have 15 color, and they have the DMC code, and the colors are, let me see, God, I can't see it. Letters and numbers. Here it is. I don't know how pretty it is. The butterfly in the rose. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Very pretty. Very vibrant red. You only drill this. This not. This doesn't have any glue. It's a partial, but it's a pretty one. I usually don't do partial unless they're really pretty. Okay. Let's do the drills. Beautiful purples. The red for the flowers. Sparkly drills. More red, like a pinkish red. Okay, so this is pretty, 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 pretty. I'm just trying to put them inside with this one. Okay, let's get the next one. The next one is one of my favorites. I think it's a lighthouse. Oh, this is neat. Standard toolkit, the wax and the single placer. This one came already packed, and it has B5042, has the code of the paint. I can show you a little bit of that one. This one is full drill, and this one has 23 colors, and all of them are alphabet letters, I should say. Well, the alphabet. the glue is stronger. This is a lighthouse. A lot of blues. It's a full drill. It's a 30 by 30. Like I said, 23 colors. And if you can see, the colors are mostly blues. They have the anchor. This is like a frame, a wooden frame. I'm not going to take them all out. But I'm going to show you. About all those beautiful blues. Okay. That's that one. And now this big one. This is a 60 by 50. A medium size, but not square. This one has 25 colors. It's beautiful. This one, it has a double standard toolkit, but this one has a multi-placer, 4 multi-placers on both of them. We got the drills that we're gonna see, and here it is. Look at how beautiful. This is another one that has a how you say it, a lighthouse, and it has a lot of pretty colors on it. Lots of pretty color, lots of pretty color. Take a look at this. A lot of detail on this one. Look at the sky. I won't be able to show the whole thing, I think. Oh, mostly. It's 25 colors, letters and numbers. It's a 60 by 50 centimeter. Look at the flowers, beautiful. The drill fields are clear. Take a look at this. Look at the lighthouse. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. The chairs with the hat, the summer hat. The beach, the fence, all the flowers. Here are the birds, the skies. And the water, the sea. This is a beautiful one. I like this one a lot. Like many of them. Let's take a look at the colors. This one, the drills has a lot. Take a look at this purple, beautiful. Sparkly drills and hardly no dimples. Look at that beautiful seafoam gray. Lots of drills. Look at this blue pack. Some dark green, very dark green. That's black. Here's the other pack. See that baby blue sky. These are the blue. Those drills are sparkly. Very sparkly. Okay, let me put this aside. Let's take a look at last time. Here it is, guys. Beautiful, beautiful canvas. And this is from Colorful DIY. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby. From Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.